What's going on, viewers? Back at it again with the Firebird. I finally got the car in the garage. Now it's time to run over to Advanced Auto Parts and pick up some fuel parts like a fuel pump and some O-rings and some other parts. But I'm gonna get those parts real quick and then I'm gonna get started on removing this gas tank.
Perfect.
I currently have a showstopper. As soon as I came under the car, I noticed these lines were very, very corroded. And I've had a car that the lines blew out on me while I was getting pulled over by a state trooper. So I put a little pressure on the line with my fingers, my thumb and my index, just to see how corroded it was. And with just that much pressure, it broke the brake line. So glad I figured this out. I've experienced this and I know what to look for. And what I'll do is just put this car back on the ground, have my wife tow it home on a dolly, and then I'll get to it this winter. I'll take this whole rear end off. Anything that's corroded, I'm gonna redo or replace. So that's where we stand. So it's really just the rear main axle and axle components, the brake lines, definitely the fuel lines. Fuel lines and brake lines need to be replaced, so I'll do that. The gas tank, I think it definitely needs to be replaced. I might as well do that since I'm replacing everything. This heat shield, I might be able to blast that. And the exhaust is not too bad. I might try sanding it, but it looks a little crusty, so that might be on the list as well. There's some rust here and there. And then there's some spots that it's not bad, you know? So it's a Pennsylvania car the entire life, for 31 years. So I kind of expect this, and I'm already mentally prepared to make this step. I was just, you know, of course you're hoping that it wouldn't be this situation, but, it is what it is. And it's time to just react and move forward, make a plan, stick with the plan. If it changes, change the plan, move forward. So now I have a little bit of a winter project to add to the list. Stay tuned.